Imagine knowing which employees are most likely to leave before they update their LinkedIn. The HR Analytics Pack stops talent flight with Cox proportional hazards models for turnover prediction, Bayesian hierarchical frameworks for engagement scoring, and Monte Carlo simulations for workforce planning. Our drag and drop Tableau Power BI connectors auto generate boardroom ready dashboards, while federated learning modules protect sensitive employee data. For HR analysts drowning in spreadsheet hell, talent strategists battling attrition fires, organizational designers reshaping company structure, and workforce planners chasing headcount ghosts, this isn't HR magic. It's machine learning meets human intuition. Spoiler, your old gut feeling approach just got tenure. Here's what's inside the HR Analytics Pack. Predictive analytics modules using survival analysis for turnover risk identification, dynamic engagement scorecards with natural language processing to analyze open text feedback, workforce planning simulator with agent based modeling for what if scenario testing, drag and drop reporting builder featuring automated storytelling with GPT-4 driven insights. Data preparation phase includes ETL pipelines for integrating Workday, Bamboo HR, and custom ATS systems. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform raw data into organizational strategy without needing a data science PhD, just point and click predictive power. Installing the HR Analytics Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add HR Analytics Pack. That's it. The entire workflow downloads: predictive modeling engines, engagement scoring frameworks, scenario planning tools, and reporting templates. No more janky integrations. When you launch your next Claude Code session, your AI assistant instantly knows how to build turnover prediction models, generate compliance ready reports, and simulate merger impacts. Unlike that easy HRIS upgrade from 2019, this doesn't require a 3-month IT ticket backlog. Just one command, and your team gains superpowers for workforce strategy. No spreadsheets, no guesswork, just game changing clarity.